All right, guys, welcome back to another video, and we're going to continue with our Slick Product Shine and Protect series. I had a really interesting conversation with Slick Products, and I was, they were like, man, we appreciate what you've done, but let us give you a little bit of further information. So I want to share it with you guys. Their further information was, let it sit for 24 hours. Now, on this machine, you could see my plastics look amazing. I mean, they really, truly do. This hood piece, get the sand out of there, it looks really blotchy. And there's a reason for that, and it was my fault. This is where I started with my heat gun thing, and I only did certain parts of it. I kind of got bored. It was taking forever to heat gun this thing, and I was just like, man, I'm done. But I wanted to show you guys, the underside is actually what it looked like prior to doing anything, right? You could see the difference in that. So what I want to do, and I'm going to share with you guys, is I'm going to coat this thing for 24 hours. Then we're going to come in and we're going to, buff it out, right? Make sense? So I'm going to do two different parts. Let me grab my camera here and move it around. So I'm going to actually do this piece, and I'm going to do the under piece. You can see just how dirty and dingy that is. I mean, everything looks terrible. So I'm going to start with this under piece, and we're going to utilize the Slick product. I'm just going to shake it. I don't even know if it requires shaking, but who doesn't want to shake something? Ugh. And there it goes. Okay, so we're going to take our Slick products here, and we're just going to coat it. I mean, already you can just see the difference. I mean, it's amazing how this stuff just kind of makes the dirt disappear and everything else. I'm going to get all down in there, all these wires and everything. And this is actually a brand new can. So, I mean, you can see the difference in that from what it was. And then let's go ahead and bring this piece up as well. And, I mean, seriously, look at the difference. Black with dirt on it now, because I set it down there. And just, I mean, literally, this is what all my plastics look like. So let's just go ahead and spray this down. Like I said, stuff looks like, it does such a great job. It looks like spray paint, right? So you can just see how dark that is now. So let's go ahead and let this sit, and I'll come back tomorrow morning and we'll do this and buff it out and just see how amazing this looks. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to even go one step further, because you guys can see like my bumpers and stuff, they look great. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do this center piece right here, and I'm going to let that sit for 24 hours as well. So then you'll have a good representation of a 24-hour soak, as opposed to, man, now see, this is the problem. I don't want to stop because it just looks so much nicer. So I'm just going to keep spraying. Oh, I'm terrible. This is why I go through so much of this stuff. But I'm going to tell you, I am so impressed. So 24 hours from now, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we're back 24 hours later. It's tomorrow morning. Well, it's this morning, but yeah, tomorrow morning. So we let this sit all night long, and let me just tell you that I am interested to see what this turns out like. As you guys can see by this, there's the other side. Actually, I coated this side again last night, but I stuck with this, and you can see just how clean this looks now. But let's go ahead and rub this off. Now, one thing that's really interesting about this product is when I am wiping this off, it feels really sticky. But that's a good thing in my opinion, because what it's saying is that it's adhering to this plastic, right? I mean, I'm gonna be honest, because as soon as I wipe it off, and I mean to the touch with my finger, it's smooth as butter. Let me just finish rubbing this off here. Rubbing this out. I know, insert joke there, because that was pretty good. But, you know, the thing is this is made just like you would expect to prevent dirt and mud from sticking. And that's obvious on my machine. But, yeah, what a great way to rejuvenate your plastics. Get them looking all nice and shiny. The inside here looks amazing. You know, it's nice and, you know, protected. And I'm going to tell you, honestly, I'm going to say that, honestly, this is probably my favorite product that I've ever used. And I say that from an aspect of this. You know, there's lots of products out there. And I don't mean just cleaning products like this or protectants like this. But I mean overall products. I just feel that this is one of those products that I'm going to be using for a very, very long time. It just puts such a nice protectant onto my machine. And, you know, I'm going to take you over here to the side. Just want to show you real quick here. And we're going to point this camera down a little bit. And I'm just going to show you, like, this is dirt that I got from the last ride. Look at this. It just falls off. It doesn't stick. It's not discoloring. You know what I mean? It doesn't even look like it needs to be washed. You can literally just take a rag and wipe this dirt right off your machine. It just doesn't stick. It doesn't stick at all. And I mean, just look at the difference. I mean, to me, this saves a ton of time. You know, I'm thoroughly thinking, and, you know, just so you guys are aware, we're in the middle of a snowstorm right now. Welcome to Michigan, right? We're in the middle of a bad weather situation. So taking this outside and power washing it isn't an option. Well, I guess it could be, but I don't want to be. But just overall, you know, the protectant, the coating. I gotta do my headlights next. If anybody has a great product for cleaning headlights, let me show you this. Look at, do you see the dirt that's on the inside? That's on the inside. So does anybody have a good product or know of a good product that is great for headlights? Because I'd definitely like to check it out. But let me just say, you know, I thoroughly believe that just with a basic spray down, you know, not even any soap, it's just going to blow all that dirt right off the machine and just dry it afterwards. Maybe do a little touch up with some, you know, some slick products. But I'm just really, I am very impressed. You know, I've used other products in the past on my motorcycles, and while they make it look good, you know, you go through a rainstorm or you get into any kind of road grime or mud, and it requires a complete cleaning again. But definitely check these guys out, Slick Products. I'll put a link in the description down below. You guys will be able to save yourself some money on this product. And let me know what your experience is. You know, I mean, like I said, I've used other products, and I'm not complaining one way or the other. But for the cost, honestly, I don't think you can beat this product. So with that being said, till next time, be good to each other, and God bless.